We all started out in tiny little temporary offices over in Huntsville, and watching this whole site grow over the past 3 years it's been an incredible experience for me.
You know, our parent companies have built a great culture here. And we have a term that's called Mendomi. And Mendomi means caring for each other.
We say all the time, we're not Mazda, we're not Toyota, we're Mazda Toyota. Supporting each other through the spirit of teamwork.
We're finally here. We're making our mark on Alabama and the world. It's a great work environment. The people here are amazing. There's so much to learn. If you love a challenge, this is definitely for you.
There's so many opportunities here, so many people willing to teach you. This unique experience is just amazing.
When I first heard Team One, I texted one of my friends over there. I'm like, what does Team One mean? Well, on-site, near-site, and everyone. Oh, well, that makes a lot of sense to me now.
Trust and loyalty with the team members, with our on-site partners, with anyone and everyone who works at MTM. We don't divide up between, you know, the Mazda line team members and the Toyota line team members. It's Apollo line, Discovery line, and MTM family.
You got two companies, very different, both building cars, but they have different techniques. And what we've taken the best of those techniques to help better the company and help lift our team members up.
To be involved from the very beginning and to see the growth to where we are now, it's amazing.
We have new team members, we have new technology. It's just a huge milestone.
We did something really amazing. This team did it.
Thank you very much, our team members and also Team One companies.
I don't think I can thank everyone enough.
Thank you, people of Alabama. Thank you.